Hikvision LED posters can be used individually or linked together to create a seamless LED wall. Start by removing the base and accessories from the flight case. Attach the brackets to the base using the supplied screws and Allen key. With two people, lift the poster into place. Align the two guide points on the base with the rubber feet under the screen. Attach the brackets and secure them tightly. Repeat this process for each screen. Connect an RJ45 cable to an Ethernet point on each screen, except the last. Then connect a HDMI cable to the loop output on each screen, again skipping the last. Run the HDMI loop output from each screen into the HDMI input of the next. Repeat this process using the RJ45 Ethernet cables, linking each screen in sequence. The final screen will only have one HDMI connected to its input. Connect the power cable to each screen and turn them on using the red power switch. Once powered, the switch will light up and the screens will begin booting. To join the posters together, open the inner edge plates on each panel. Push the screens together, making sure the connectors align correctly. Use the supplied Allen key to tighten all locking points on the back. Repeat this process across the full row. To bind the screens, insert the remote USB receiver into the first screen. Set the first screen to Android and all others to HDMI using the button on the top right of the remote. Press OK, then press the left arrow to select splice setting and press OK again. The serial numbers will be displayed on each poster. Select each screen in the correct order, check the layout preview and press save. The screens will refresh and combine into one display. To run content locally via USB, insert the USB memory stick into the first screen, press OK, go to Program Release, select Add Program, and then choose a template. Select your content type, choose your media, and then press Save and Release to play it. Your LED posters are now set up and ready to run as a full LED wall.